Hey, what's going on, creators? DominantDrip Beats here today, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to make a quick, simple beat template on Logic Pro X. Okay guys, let's get straight into it. So obviously the first step would be to open up Logic Pro X, and once you've opened that up, you will see a window pop up, and you just want to click on the new project tab on the left, click empty project, and then click choose. Shortly the main window will pop up and it will ask you which type of tracks you want to create first. We want to click software instrument, and then just down the bottom on the left there, we want to change that from default patch to empty channel strip, and then just down the bottom where it says number of tracks, we just want to put in 5. Now in a minute I'll let you guys know why we have chosen the number 5. Then just go ahead and click create. After that, you will see the main window, and there you will have 5 software instrument tracks ready to go. Once you finish that, go ahead and click on the window tab up the top and open up the mixer window. There you'll be able to see the 5 tracks that we just created. Now we've chosen 5 tracks because there are 5 different instruments that come basic with every single beat. What we'll do is we'll name each of them. The first one being piano, the second one being master drums, the third one is going to be kicks, the fourth one will be snares, and the last one will be hi-hat. The next step is to create or assign your aux tracks. Now if you don't know what aux tracks are, just let me know down in the comments and I will make a video explaining what they are and how they are used. Your first aux track will be labeled drums. Your second aux track will be labeled bass. Now if you want to know just how to duplicate them, you simply press Ctrl N. Now the third one will be keys, and the last one will be vox or vocals. Once you completed that task, now what we'll do is we'll set inputs for all 4 aux tracks. The first one, drums, will be bus number 1 or B1. For bass it'll be B2. For keys it'll be B3, and for vox it'll be B4. Now we want to keep our delays and our reverbs all together, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create 2 more aux tracks, one being delay and one being reverb. We also want to change the delay to a bus, which will be bus 5, and the reverb will be bus 6. Back to our instruments. Now we want to change the output of all of them. For the first one, for piano, what we want to do is we want to send our signal to bus 3, which will be the keys. For master drums, we want to set that as stereo output. For our kicks, we want to set that to bus number 1 for drums. For snares, you want to set that as bus number 1 for drums again. And for hi-hat, you want to set that as bus number 1 for drums. For this following part, what we want to do is we just want to make everything a little bit more organized and a little bit more clean. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change the color of some of the tracks just so we know what track we're editing when we're editing it. Now if we pop back to the main window, you'll now see that there's 5 software instrument tracks: piano, master drums, kick, snare, and hi-hat. One thing you might have noticed is now the aux tracks are not on the main window. To set that up, simply all you do is highlight all of them, which you do by clicking shift and clicking from drums all the way to the reverb, right clicking and clicking the top one, which is create track. Once you've done that, you'll see a bit of a change. What we also want to make sure that we do is take the read off all of them, just so they're not being read while we're changing the volumes and things like that. Back to the main window. Now you'll see all the aux tracks there. They might be a little bit jumbled up. All you simply do is highlight all of them and just chuck them down the bottom or the top. Now let's add some inputs to our instruments. One of my favorite instruments, and I've been using this one from the start, is Alchemy. Alchemy has I'm telling you, a fucking lot of effects and different types of signals that you can put out on it, and you can change it pretty easily and affect it to the way that you want it to be. For my kicks, I always use Ultra Beat. Ultra Beat just comes with the nicest kicks, the nicest snares, and the nicest hi-hats. So just going with that one all collectively is the best one to go. And straight away I have the best instruments ready. We'll take a look at the delay and the reverb now. I like to go with the tape delay for my my delay. And for my reverbs, I like to just throw in a platinum verb. I just know how to use it, so I just go with that one. Once you're done with your delays and your reverbs, you are done and you are ready to go. As you can see in this project here, I've got the exact same setup, but I have just duplicated tracks and added extra instruments. Okay creators, that is the best way to make a quick, simple beat template on Logic Pro X. You can use this template whenever you're starting to make a project. And for you guys out there that are too damn lazy, I've actually dropped a link down below where you can download the template for free straight away. If you have any more questions, drop them down in the comments below. If you like the video, like and share. And if you want to see more, who doesn't want to see more, subscribe to my channel and we'll keep it popping. Until then, just keep it dominant.